a lot of the symptoms that lead toward a diagnosis of ADD or ADHD can also be the same symptoms that we see with an underlying vision disorder. A question I get asked often is, can there be or is there a link between ADD, ADHD, and vision? And the short answer is yes, absolutely. We know that particularly after the age of 7, a lot of the symptoms that lead toward a diagnosis of ADD or ADHD can also be the same symptoms that we see with an underlying vision disorder. There was a study done by a Dr. Granite, and what the conclusion of that study was is they looked at patients that were diagnosed with ADHD as well as patients that were diagnosed with convergence insufficiency. And they found that there was a 3-fold increase in the likelihood that an individual diagnosed with ADHD would also have convergence insufficiency, and that a patient diagnosed with convergence insufficiency could have ADHD. So the conclusion of the study was that if we have a diagnosis of an attentional deficit disorder, we should also have an evaluation to determine if that individual has an underlying vision problem such as convergence insufficiency.